So we've been spending all our time at the other end of the bus and underneath the bus. But we need to go upstairs because there's some things up there that need attention too. So let's go. Just a few leaves. So we've got a vent cover to deal with and another vent cover to deal with. Let's start with this one. Alright, so we got this tub. Kind of a thing here. It's better than I was expecting. I think this can ride home with just some tape on it, so let me go get the tape and make some repairs. Alright, so it's basically going to get Gorilla taped. I'm not looking for perfection, I'm just looking to get it home. And then I'll put a new one in. Alright. I don't think that's necessary, but it's not going to hurt anything. Same up here. I think the whole thing is trash. But I'm going to still keep it together because I don't want to listen to it rattle on the highway. Let's move to the one in the back and see what's going on back there. So I think this one, yeah, it's pretty good sign. So I need to know, how big is this? 13 3/8 by 13 3/8. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I bought a couple of very thin, inexpensive pieces of plastic at Home Depot this morning. And I've trimmed them to size. Perfect, but I think this will get me back to Houston. And it sidesteps the headache of finding and installing a vent cover while I'm here. it done up here, at least with these vents. All right, so let's look at this air conditioner. Solution for this is. I'm going to get my leaf blower and I'm going to get rid of all these leaves. I'm going to gift wrap it with what's left of the tarp. Actually, on second thought, I'm just going to leave it alone. This is all weatherproof out here. This is the outdoor coil and this is the indoor portion, and it's sealed, so I don't see any risk. I mean, it might drip in here, whatever. I'm going to leave it alone. I think it'll be okay. I am still going to blow all the leaves off the top of here with the blower, so we'll get to that. Alright, this is my Hercules mini blower. up the upstairs.